Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're going to talk about the Lifewit Large Lunch Bag Insulated Lunchbox, which we believe is one of the best insulated lunch bags for women on the market. Whether you're heading to work, going on a picnic, or just need something reliable to store your food, this lunch bag has got you covered. Let's start with what makes this lunch bag stand out. The Lifewit lunch bag is designed with thermal insulation that keeps your food cool or warm for over 5 hours. The interior features food-grade PEVA foil, ensuring that your food stays safe while you're on the go. Plus, it has a built-in 6mm EPE foam that adds an extra layer of protection for your containers, drinks, and snacks, so you won't have to worry about any leaks or spills. In terms of capacity, this lunch bag doesn't disappoint. With an 8.5-liter capacity, it can hold up to 12 cans of Coke. Or if you're packing a lunch, there's plenty of space for sandwiches, salads, snacks, fruits, and drinks. It's the perfect size for women who want to take a hearty meal with them, whether you're off to the office, school, or a day out at the beach. Speaking of convenience, the Lifewit lunch bag is made from durable 600D Oxford fabric. This material is not only water-resistant but also dirt-proof, which means it's super easy to clean and maintain. And don't worry about it wearing out too quickly. The strong zippers ensure long-lasting durability. While the two-way zippers make it easy to open the bag wide, allowing you to pack and access your food easily. The exterior pockets are also a thoughtful touch, perfect for storing smaller items like keys, earbuds, or even your phone. One of the highlights of this lunch bag is its leak-proof and waterproof capabilities. Even when it's packed with ice or water, you won't have to worry about anything leaking out and making a mess. This feature is ideal for keeping drinks and fruits cold and fresh, even on the hottest of days. The versatility of the Lifewit lunch bag is another key point. It's not just for work or school. You can take it on picnics, to the beach, or on any outing where you need to keep your food at the right temperature. It's the kind of lunch bag that'll serve you well no matter where life takes you. So, if you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and functional lunch bag that can keep your food fresh for hours, the Lifewit Large Insulated Lunchbox is definitely worth considering. Its spacious interior, leak-proof design, and convenient features make it a fantastic choice for anyone on the go. If you're interested in getting one, check out the link in the description. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique. See you in the next video.